To speed up your POCO M8 Pro 5G, first of all, let's start by opening Security app on our device. This is a great tool that allows you to clean your phone and empty it from any unwanted data, or just boost a memory by clearing the memory itself. So this is the first thing that you should do. Open this app, and then on the top it will you should see optimize. If you click on it, your phone should optimize with system security, clearing a cache and checking the security again for any harmful apps. If there's anything found, you can click on each of the options to adjust and delete any unwanted things on your phone. And now we can enable the Xiaomi Cloud. I wouldn't recommend actually doing any of those here. You can try to fix the problems right here, and then wait a moment until entire scan is completed. So you can see there's an issue with the battery, so we have more than 5 apps that are allowed to auto start, which restricts to save battery. So we can enter restrict and then turn off any background auto start for apps. That should boost your performance as well as your battery life. So we have everything, almost everything optimized except those apps. This is just a bloatware that I wouldn't recommend to do anything with. The next thing is boost speed right here, which will scan for the cache and clear any memory on your phone, and this should speed up your device by a lot. Okay, next thing that you can do is go back and open the settings. Inside, scroll down until you find display and brightness, and then if your phone feels a bit slow, change the refresh rate to 120 Hz. And this is not any performance boost. More than that, this will actually even lower your battery at a faster rate, but your phone will feel much faster if you enable this option, as it refreshes your screen double times. So that is all of the things that I would recommend to do to boost the performance of your phone. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.